So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while...
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Thank you so much for showing up for me once again. Today's hair sponsor is Beauty Forever Hair. Today I have a new wig for you. This is the new concept. You have seen this concept on my channel because that's what we do. We introduce you guys to new things. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 pre-everything wig. What does that mean? That means everything is done. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-taped. It's got the ear tabs that are taped.
Just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in fears is like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a
Pre-everything, all the work done for me. Just put her on. It comes with the ear tab. I'm gonna try my Fenty Beauty powder. Is it too white? It might not be too white. It's gonna go right here, and then this one's gonna go right here. I'm gonna press it in. It doesn't go completely to the bottom here for me, but it gets close enough. Now I'm gonna turn my hot comb on. I'm gonna comb those hairs downwards. Kind of hide that. Actually, we're gonna have to just do sideburns. Curls, beautiful in this wig. It's either that or this, so we're gonna go with this. Side note, I'm moving again. We got a new place and I'm moving again, so I'm gonna be setting up the new place pretty soon here by the time you guys are watching this. So if you do see a little gap where I am, you know, maybe not as active on social media, that is why, because I'm like packing or moving. But we'll be back to business as soon as like we get that sorted out. But yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the new place, the new place. This place that I'm living in now is cute and all, but it just didn't feel like home, if you feel me. Anyways, I'm just swooping these sideburns. I'm not doing anything crazy, just a basic swoop. Yeah, I'm actually really tired and sick of moving. So this place, we plan to stay here for as long as possible. Like my OCD when it comes to moving and packing, like I want to do everything all at once. And I can't, right? Like I can't do everything all at once, but I definitely want to. So that gives me anxiety also. Careful. Like seriously, one thing I'm known for and good for is burning myself. I'm actually sick of me. Wow, get into the curls. You know, they have beautiful wigs over there at Beauty Forever. And more. Beautiful bleach job. The knots look amazing. Let's get some wax stick going. Okay, I'm gonna use that same spray. Yeah, those curls are phenomenal. Still 100% glueless. Every single time, if you want beautiful, flawless curls, get a water wave because this texture is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at it. Still glueless. Everything wig comes ready to wear. This is in the density 150%. Child, if this is 150%, I would love to see what 250% looks like. This wig is so full. Oh my goodness. We installed this wig glueless, but then we switched it up, and I'm glad that we did because the deep side part is eating and it just looks super clean. It's easy to install. You can just use the tape. It's beautiful. The hair does look like it's in a black color. It doesn't look like it's like brown or anything. That is all for today. I don't want to ramble on or take too much of your time. It's just to the point. It's a good wig. It fits comfortably and it's ready to wear and it just looks bomb.com. Go check them out. They make beautiful wigs and they're affordable too, so don't miss out on that. Glueless 13x4. Anyways guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and thumbs up the video really does help me out. And I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye.